Lights, camera, science. Hey, awesome learners. Welcome back to Shubhkaamna Academy, where every topic shines bright like a diamond. Have you ever played with your shadow on a wall? Or looked at yourself in a mirror and thought, why does it flip left and right but not up and down? Or wondered why we can't see in the dark? Well, it's all because of light, shadows, and reflection. So switch on your curiosity and let's get going. Contents: Introduction to light, understanding shadows, light, shadow, and reflection in nature, its challenges and misconceptions. Last but not the least, conclusion. Let's start with the superhero of today's topic, light. Light is a form of energy that helps us see the world around us. Without light, total darkness. No color, no vision, no shadows. Some cool facts. The sun is the biggest natural source of light. Light travels in a straight line. It moves faster than anything else, around 3 lakh kilometers per second. Light helps us do everything from seeing your notebook to clicking selfies to growing plants. Light is defined as electromagnetic radiation that is visible to human eye, typically within wavelengths of 400 to 700 nanometers. The behavior of light. Light travels in a straight line at an impressive speed of approximately 2,99,792 kilometers per hour. In a vacuum, this rapid motion is fundamental to understanding phenomena such as reflections and shadows. Light exhibits dual character as both waves and particles. Now, what shadow? A shadow is formed when an object blocks light. Since light travels in a straight line, the blocked area creates a dark patch. That's your shadow. Three ingredients to make a shadow: a light source, an object, a surface to catch the shadow. Depending on the shape and angle, shadow can be long, short, funny, or even scary. Fun challenge: go outside during sunset and observe how long your shadow becomes. Why do you think that happens? Shadows are formed when an opaque object blocks light from a source. The shape and size of a shadow depends on the light's angle, intensity, and distance from the object. Now, talking about the applications, practical uses in art, shadows in nature. Shadow enhances artistic expressions by adding depth and dimensions to compositions. Now, the science of reflection. Law of reflection. The law of reflection states that when light strikes a reflective surface, the angle of incidence equal to the angle of reflection. Types of reflection: specular and diffuse. Reflection occurs in two primary forms. Specular reflection involves a clear, mirror-like reflection where light rays bounce off. In contrast, diffuse reflection occurs on a rough surface. Light, shadows, and reflection in nature. Nature is full of light tricks. Sunlight creates shadows, sunsets, and rainbows. The moon shines because it reflects sunlight. It doesn't glow on its own. Rainbow appears when sunlight reflects and bends through raindrops. Even lakes and ponds have beautiful reflections. Reflections means bouncing of light from a surface. Like when you look into the mirror of water, mirrors reflection light perfectly. That's why your image is so clear in it. Nature is the ultimate light artist. Let's burst some myths. Myth number one: shadows are always black. Not always. They can be fuzzy, colored, or even transparent, based on the object and light source. Myth number two: the moon makes its own light. Nope, the moon only reflects sunlight. Myth number three: You can only see light when it hits your eyes. True, you don't see a laser beam unless there's dust, fog, or smoke to reflect the light particles into your eyes. Fun fact, cats see better in the dark than humans. Their eyes reflect light better. Practical applications: architectural design, interior lighting solution, outdoor lighting, and landscapes. Innovative technologies, advances in lighting technology, smart mirrors and displays, renewable energy and light. All right, let's flip the light switch on what we learned today. Light helps us see and travels in a straight line. Shadows form when object blocks. Shadows form when object blocks light. Reflection happens when light bounces off a surface. Nature is full of light shows, rainbows, sunset, and reflection. Not everything we think about light is true. So many question, test, and learn. So next time you see your shadow on or look in a mirror, remember you're not just seeing yourself, you're seeing science in action. If this video brightened up your mind, give a like, hit and subscribe button, and share it with your fellow science stars. Until next time, stay curious, stay shiny, and as always, Shubhkamna. Include a quick puppet challenge at the end. Can you make a bird with your hands? Send us your best shadow puppet and we'll feature you in our next episode. Until then, stay curious, stay smart. Thank you.